Hello students, welcome to our channel Max and Simple. Here we are seeing fourth chapter pair of linear equation in two variable of SSC Max Telangana in that second problem. So let's start. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. So here he is asking us to check. First of all, we have to check the equation which he gave are consistent. Consistent means if they have solution, we call them as a consistent. Or inconsistence. Inconsistence means if they don't have solution, we call them as a inconsistence. Okay. Next, what is saying? Solve them graphically. So on graph also we have to show that equation. Okay. So now we are saying g bit. Okay. So let's start. G bit x minus y equal to 8. 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So here we are writing in answer as it is what he gave that equation. We are writing x minus y equal to 8. And we are putting this equation as equation number 1. And next we are writing the second equation as it is 3x minus 3y equal to 16. And we are putting that equation as equation number 2. Now we are bringing this a to this side. First of all, we will write the x minus y as it is x minus y. Next, when this 8 comes to this side, it will become minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Next, here the coefficient of x will become a1. And the coefficient of y will become b1. So minus 1 is b1 and the constant value will become c1. Here also the coefficient of x will become a2. So 3 is a2 and the coefficient of y will become b2. So minus 3 is b2 and the constant value is c2. So first of all, he is asking us to check whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. So we have to see in which condition it will go. See here, we have three conditions now, that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If we got, then it is consistent. If we got a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, we call them as a inconsistent. If we got a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, we say that they are consistent. And graphically representation, how they will come? Coincidence. Okay, if it satisfies this condition, graphically there will be parallel. The equation which he give, they will be parallel. And the next equation which is there, for that graphical representation will be, they will be intersecting. Okay. So we will see. First of all, we will find a1 by a2 equal to, how much is a1 here? 1. So we are writing 1 by, how much is a2? 3. So 1 by 3 we will get. Next, how much is b1? Now we are saying b1 by b2. How much is b1 here? Minus 1. So we are writing minus 1 divided by b2. How much is b2? Minus 3. So minus 3 I am writing. Equal to, same I am writing minus 1 divided by minus 3. This minus get cancelled. I will get 1 by 3. So what I am getting here? Here I am a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 I am getting. Okay. Here both the values we are getting same. 1 by 3 here also we are getting. Here also 1 by 3 we are getting. Okay. Next, when these two values are, we are getting the same, then we have to find c1 by c2. So what is c1 value? Minus 8. So we are writing minus 8 divided by c2 is minus 16. Okay. So we are writing minus 16 equal to, we are writing minus 8 by minus 16 as it is. First we will cancel this, minus sign will get cancelled. Then in 8 table it will go. 8 ones are 8. So 8 twos are 16. So what we will get? 1 by 2. Here what we are getting? That therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 we are getting. These two are equal. Okay. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 we are getting. But c1 it is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. Next. So which condition it has gone? It has gone to second condition. We will see here. It has came to this condition that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So algebraic. So in algebraic what we are getting, they are inconsistent, means they have no solution. And graphically representation of that line will be parallel. The lines will be parallel. Okay. So we will see on the graph how we are getting. Okay. So first of all, we are writing here, therefore the given equations are inconsistent, means they have no solutions and are parallel. Okay. First here we have done the half problem is over. We have checked that it is consistent or inconsistent. We have checked now here. Next, for graphical representation, what we are doing from equation number 1. We are taking here equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X minus y equal to 8. That only we are writing x minus y equal to 8. Next, we are sending this x to that side. So what we will get? Minus y equal to, here 8 is there, we are writing 8. And when we send this x to that side, what will happen? It will become minus x. So minus y equal to 8 will come as it is 8 minus x. Now what we are doing? Only we are keeping y here. Here minus 1 is there. Nothing is there with y means here minus is there. So 1 it will be. Here 1 will be there. No? So we are sending that minus 1 also to that side. So we will get y equal to 8 minus x divided by minus 1. So what is happening? This minus will come up. So minus 8 we will get, and minus into minus plus x we will get. Okay. So now we will draw the table for this equation. Here we have got the equation for y equal to minus 8x plus minus 8 plus x. We have got here equation for y. So we will draw the table. Okay. We are drawing a table x. And yeah, y, how much we got? X minus 8 we got. So we are writing that y equal to x minus 8 and x comma y we are writing. So here we can take any value we can assume. For x I am assuming 0. So 0 I am taking x value. So y equal to x minus 8 we know. So equal to, in place of x I am putting 0. 0 minus 8 equal to how much we will get? Minus 8. So here x and y value we have to put. So how much x we took? 0. So 0 comma. So y how much we got? Minus 8. So minus 8 we are writing. Next I am taking x value as 1. So y equal to x minus 8 we know. This equation we know. No? So how much x we are taking here? 1. So 1 minus 8 we are writing as it is. Okay. So what is the sign for big number? Minus. So we are writing here minus. From 8 if we remove 1 we will get 7. So here we got value as minus 7. So here we are writing x and y value. How much is x? 1. So 1 comma y is minus 7. So we are writing minus 7. Next what we are doing? We are taking x as 2. So y equal to x minus 8 we know. Next, in place of x I am writing 2. Okay. So equal to 2. Here I am writing 2. Minus is there, minus 8 is there, 8. Equal to, for big number minus is there. So we are writing minus. From 8 if we remove 2 we will get 6. Here x and y value you have to write. So 2 comma minus 6. Why? Because 2 x value is 2. So we wrote 2. Y value is we are getting minus 6. So minus 6 we wrote here. Okay. Now from for second equation we will draw the table. So what is second equation? 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So here we are writing 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Now what we are doing? We are taking 3 as common. So we are from this x and y we are taking 3 as common. So we are taking 3 as outside, and what we will be left? Only x will be left minus. Here also we are taking 3 common, means only y will be left, y. And we are closing the bracket equal to 16. Now x minus y equal to how much we will get? 16 divided by 3. Why? Because here 3 is in multiplication. Coming to another side it will come in division. Now we are sending this x to that side. So what we will be left? Here minus y is there. We will write as it is, minus y equal to 16 by 3 is there. We will write 16 by 3. And when this x goes to that side it will become minus x. Okay. Next what we are doing? We are sending here minus 1 is there. Nothing is there means 1 will know. So we are sending this minus 1 also to that side. So equal to 16 by 3 is there. We are writing 16 by 3 as it is, minus x we are writing as it whole divided by minus 1. Because here minus 1 is in multiplication with y no. So when it's come to another side it will come in division. So minus 1. So what we are doing here? Minus 1 is there. So this minus will go up. Okay, so here 1 is there. No, if we didn't wrote 1 also means nothing will happen. So we are sending this minus sign above. So it will become minus 16 by 3. And this minus will go to this also. No, this minus go for this number also and for this number also. So when we send for this number it will become minus 16 by 3. And when we go to minus x it will become minus into minus plus x. So plus x it will become. So what we are writing? We are writing x here, x. Next we are writing minus 16 by 3. Okay. Now we have got the equation for y also, y equal to x minus 16 by 3. This we have got the equation for y. Now we will draw the table, okay. So we are drawing x y equal to how much we got? X minus 16 by 3. So x minus 16 by 3. Here x comma y we have to write, okay. Here I am assuming x value as 0. Any value we can assume. So x equal to 0 we are taking. So y equal to, in place of x I am writing 0 minus 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is there, no? So minus 16 by 3 equal to how much will be left? Oh, minus 16 by 3 only we will get. We wrote that only. Next minus we are writing as it is. When we divide, 16 is whenever divided by 3 we will get 5.3. Now here we will write x and y value. How much is x? 0. So 0 comma how much is y? Minus 5.3. So minus 5.3. Next here I am taking x value as 1. So y equal to, in place of x I am writing 1 minus 6. Here minus 16 by 3 is there. So I am writing minus 16 by 3. So here what I am doing, here 3 is there and here below 1 nothing is there. So nothing will be is there means what will be there? There will be ones. Here it will be 1. So what we have to do, the denominators are different. Here 1 is there, here 3 is there. So whenever the denominators are different, how we can take LCM? We have to cross multiply. So we are cross multiplying. 3 ones are 3. X minus is there, we are writing minus as it is. 1 16s are 16. Next what we have to do, whole divided by. Next we have to multiply this denominators. 1 3s are 3 we will get, okay. So next what we are doing, next here for big number what is the sign? Minus. So we are writing minus. From 16 if you remove 3 how much we will get? 13. Divided by 3 is there, we are writing divided by 3. Minus is there, we are writing minus as it is. So if we divide 13 divided by 3 we will do means 4.3 we will get, okay. Next I am taking x value as 2. So y equal to, what is the equation? X minus 16 by 3. So y equal to x minus 16 by 3. So what is the x value here? 2. So 2 minus 16 by 3 we are taking. Next here also below 2 nothing is there. Nothing is there means it will be 1. So here we have to take the LCM. If the denominators are different, how here 1 is there in denominator, here 3 is there in denominator. So if denominators are different, how we will take LCM? We will cross multiply. 3 2s are 6. X minus is there, we are writing minus. 1 16s are 16. Whole divided by, we will multiply the denominators. 1 3s are 3 we will get. Equal to, what is the sign for big number? Minus. So we are writing minus. From 16 if you remove 6 we will get 10. 10 divided by 3. Here minus is there, we are writing as it is. If 10 is divided by 3 we will get 3.3, okay. So here we are writing x and y value. How much is x? 2. So we are writing 2 comma. How much is y value? We got minus 3.3, okay. Next what we have to do, we have to plot these points on the graph. For this table also we have to plot this point on the graph. And next for these points also we have to plot on the graph, okay. So see, this is the graph paper, okay. So what we have to do, first of all we have to draw one horizontal line, okay. So we have to draw one horizontal line like this line we have to draw, and we call this line as, what we call this line as? X-axis we call, okay. This horizontal line we call as x-axis. Here we will write x and here we will write x dash. And the vertical line we have to draw like this. And what we call this line as? We call this line as y-axis, okay. We call this line as y-axis, where this x-axis and this y-axis vertical line they are meeting. Where they are meeting? Here. We will put there as point. We will point that. We will put there as 0 and we call that as origin. We call this as origin, where x-axis and y-axis are meeting. We call that as 0 and we will say them as origin, okay. Next, here we will put y and below we will put y dash. Next, on x-axis always the number on the right hand side, always on right hand side there will be positive numbers, and here on the left hand side there will be negative numbers. On y-axis, the above numbers will be always positive and the below numbers will be negative. Okay. Now we have to take a scale. Okay. On x-axis, how much we have to increase from here to here box. How much we have to increase from here to here, we have to write here. So what we are doing here, only 0, 8, 7, 6 small numbers are only there. No, from 1 to 10 numbers are there. No, here x and y values are from in between 1 to 10. Here also see, if we see x and y values, they are in between 1 to 10, from 0 to 10, in between 0 to 10. So what we are doing, we are increasing only one unit. So we are taking on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So from here to another box, we are increasing 1 point. So it will become 1. Next, from here to another box, we will increase only 1. So it will become 2. Next, from here to here, 3. Next, 4. Next, 5. Next, 6. Like that. Here also like that. 1. But minus 1. From here to here, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Above also same. On y-axis, what we are taking? 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only we are taking. So 1 only we have to increase. From here to here, 1. Next, from here to another box, 2. From here to next box, 3, 4, 5. Below also same, but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, like that. Okay. Next, what he gave value? First is 0 comma minus 8. So 0 comma minus 8. Here I am writing what he gave, 0 comma minus 8. So always this side will be x value and this side is y value. So x0. So on x-axis we have to see where is 0 here. 0. So from this position only we have to put the point, from here only. So what he is saying, y is how much? Minus 8. So from here, this position only we have to see where we will get minus 8 on y-axis. This is vertical line is y-axis now, but minus will be there. Where minus will be there? Below. So minus 8, where is there? Minus 2. Here minus 8 is there. So here we will put dot. Okay. Here I am putting dot. Next point is what he gave. Next is 1 comma minus 7. Next is 1 comma minus 7. Okay. So I will write here 1 comma minus 7. Okay. So x is how much? 1. So on x-axis where 1 is there? Here. So from this position only we have to see where we are getting minus 7. Okay. On y-axis where we are getting minus 7. On y-axis where we will get down. So where minus 7 is there? Here. Minus 7. So here we will put another point. Okay. Next what point we have got? 2 comma minus 6. Okay. So here I will write. Next is 2 comma minus 6. So x value is 2. So here on x-axis where 2 is there? Here 2 is there. So from this position only we have to go. And on y-axis what is the value? Minus 6. No? Here y value is minus 6. So from 2 only we have to see where is minus 6. Below only we will get. So here minus 6 we are getting. Okay. So here we will put 1 point. Now we have to take one scale and we have to join all this point. Okay. We have to draw the line like this. Now we have to put arrows. We have got this line. Now we have to mention the equation for which we have got this line. So equation is x minus y equal to 8. Equation number 1. No. We will see. Equation is what? X minus y equal to 8. For this equation only we have got. So there we are writing that equation also we have to mention for what equation we have got. So we are writing x minus y equal to 8. For next table, for next equation we have got the another table. No? So that for that table also we will plot on the graph. Okay. So now we will plot these points on the graph. 0 comma minus 5.3. So 0 comma minus 5.3. So I will write here 0 comma minus 5.3. X value is 0. Y value is this. So on x-axis where 0 is there, here 0. From here only we have to minus 5.3 is there. So minus we will get on y-axis down. So minus 5 here is there. But he's saying minus 5.3. So slight horizontal line will be there. No, that first line will be minus 5.1. Next will be minus 5.2. Next will be minus 5.3. So here I will put one point. Okay. Next. Next, what we got? 1 comma minus 4.3. So I will write here 1 comma minus 4.3. This is x value and this is y value. So x value how much is there? 1. So we on x-axis where is 1 here. So from 1 to minus 4.3. Minus value for y-axis will be below. So minus 4 we got, but he's saying minus 4.3. So slight horizontal line will be there. No, that will become minus 4.1. Next will be minus 4.2. Next 4.3. So here I am putting one dot. Okay. Now next point, what is there? 2 comma minus 3.3. Next. So we will write. I will take the pencil. 2 comma minus 3.3. So this is x and this is y. On x-axis where is 2? Here 2. On y-axis minus 3.3. So on y-axis minus will be down only. So you will see down minus 3.3. Here we have got minus 3. Next 3.3 means slight line will be 3.1, 3.2, next 3.3. So here also I am putting the point and next we have got the 3 points. We have to take the scale and we have to join that 3 points. Okay. And we will get a straight line. Next we should mention the for what equation we have got that. So for what equation we have got, we will see that line. Okay, we have to mention there. It is important to mention for this equation we are getting this line on the graph like that. So we will see what is that equation. 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So we should write here 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Okay. So here we have seen in the graph that the two lines are opposite. They are parallel. Yes, they are parallel and we are not getting any solution. Okay. On graph also we have proved. So this problem is over. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.